my name is Alana. I'm with Radiant Designs Print Company, and I am here at NorCal Screen Print Supply taking their 2-day class. It's been a really great experience. I've learned a lot in the last 2 days. Some of the things that I was able to focus on were registration and multiple color print designs, which I had been struggling with on my own as a one-person shop. The staff here is really great about answering any questions that you have, and they make the class an interactive and awesome experience. It's also really great to learn with a group of people who are in the same skill level area as you are. So if you have an opportunity, definitely come take one of these classes. I'd recommend it.
Hey, I'm Angelo from Process Printing Cars. Most people know and see Money Motivated. We're here at NorCal Screen Print Supply learning how to reclaim screens, burn them, make shirts, make hoodies, make the jogger, do all that stuff. 10 out of 10, this training class is perfect. I know some stuff about screen printing, but they're giving me really everything we need to know and do over here.
James Lano, Christ-like Prints. If you have the desire to come and screen print, man, you should take this class. It's gonna be $400. You're gonna learn so much. You get shirts like this done and like this done. Not only will you get the shirts, but you'll learn how to print them as well.
How's it going? I'm Raymond with the 4 Group. I highly recommend you take this class.
My name is Nikki, and I am co-owner of Piasos Printing Co., and I would 100% recommend this screen printing class.
My name's Sarah. I'm with Alternate Dimensions, and we were hoping to gain a little more knowledge just on the whole screen print scenario in general. And man, I feel very thankful that we found these guys. They're so helpful. They have so much knowledge, and man, taught us so much skillful stuff, answered a lot of questions, and I would highly recommend it to anyone that's just getting started or even established and just wants to brush up on some more technical stuff. So yeah, 10 out of 10.